Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive very easily. Before starting, get a pendrive and it should be 8 GB or more. Next, download the Rufus app. It is tiny and free and it does not require you to install it. You can just download and run the app. Now download the Windows 10 iOS image from Microsoft website. It is totally free to download and you can choose the language of the ISO file before downloading. Also make sure to download 64-bit or 32-bit if you have a 32-bit system, but most people will have a 64-bit system. Now plug in the pendrive to your computer or laptop and open the Rufus app. In the Rufus app, select pendrive from the drop-down. Then choose the ISO file, the Windows 10 ISO file you just downloaded. Now comes the important part. Here you have to select partition scheme as GPT or MBR. So how do you know hard drive is GPT or MBR? Actually, this is very easy. Open disk management and then right click on the hard disk you want to install, then choose properties and then go to volumes and it will show you if it is GPT or MBR. Also, you can easily convert your hard drive to GPT from MBR using the diskpart command while installing Windows. So basically your computer is really old and like 5 years or more, it is probably going to be MBR formatted. If the computer is new, and it is probably going to be GPT, but always make sure to check it by yourself. Now choose GPT or MBR as per your system and leave everything default. Then click on start and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Your Windows 10 bootable flash drive will be ready.
Like